Hey, this is Wilco, the founder of UpViral, and in this short video I'll give you a quick demonstration of UpViral so you know exactly what it can do for your business. And as you probably already know, UpViral is an easy to use cloud-based platform that allows you to run any kind of viral referral campaign, such as viral giveaways and viral contests. And obviously you can run everything on our platform using our templates, our email automation and all of that, so you don't need anything else to get started. On top of that, you can even integrate this whole viral system into your existing tools and websites, which I'm going to show you in just a few minutes as well. Before showing you the dashboard, let me give you an example of a viral giveaway campaign. So your audience will opt in by entering their email address, whereafter they'll get their own unique invite link that we automatically keep track of. And this means that you could say things like, hey, get 5 people to sign up and you will get this ebook for free, for example. And once 5 of their friends actually sign up, we'll automatically send out their unlocked reward. Or you could run a contest in which every participant can increase the chances of winning by getting their friends to sign up. And because we keep track of how many of their friends actually enter their email address, they'll have the incentive to keep on sharing over and over. Of course, these are just some of the basic examples because there's really no limitation on how you can use UpViral in your business. Now let me show you the dashboard by creating a new campaign. So let's say you want to run a viral giveaway using our pre-designed templates. You can then simply select the templates that you want to use and customize it using our visual editor. In the next step, you'll set up the thank you page where a lot of the viral magic will be happening. Once you've set up your pages, you'll be able to configure the rest of your campaign in the following steps, which are all easy to follow and well explained. And like I said, you can even integrate all of this into your existing tools and websites such as Leadpages, ClickFunnels, WordPress and any other landing page software. All you need to do is enter the URL of your current opt-in page as well as your current thank you page, whereafter you'll need to copy paste a little snippet of code to your website and you're good to go. It's really that easy. This way you'll add a viral loop to your existing funnels and your existing websites, making sure people will start promoting it for you, and it only takes a few minutes to set up. Of course, we have all the features that you'd expect from a platform like this. So for example, you have full control on how the message will appear on social media. You can also add unlimited rewards to your giveaways, such as discount coupons, downloadable files or secured URLs, so your audience has multiple reasons to keep on sharing your campaign even after they unlock their first reward. When you're doing a contest, you decide when it ends and how the winners will be selected, and we'll do the rest for you. We'll even handle all your email automation. So for example, when someone signs up, they'll get a welcome email, or when one of their friends signs up, they'll get an email saying, hey, you're one step closer to unlocking the reward, and keep on sharing your message. And inside those emails, you can use any kind of personalization to increase your engagement, such as adding their name, etc., etc., and even include one-click social media buttons so they can easily share the invite link from within their email inbox. Now, obviously we integrate with all autoresponders to make sure that every participant is being added to your email list automatically as well. And finally, you're able to run all of this on your own domain name, so you get all the branding benefits as well. Now, so far I've been showing you the core of UpViral, but there's so much more it has to offer. So let me just give you a few examples. For starters, it includes a full statistics dashboard with live analytics, so you know exactly what's working in your campaign and what's not working. You can remove the guesswork using our A/B split testing feature. Simply create multiple opt-in pages, multiple thank you pages and or multiple email automations, and we'll then automatically split test each of them to see which one will get you the best results for your campaign. And I can't stress out enough how powerful this feature really is, because this allows you to try out multiple things and see exactly what's get people to sign up, what gets them to share and what gets them to open your emails, so you have all the odds in your favor. And this feature alone is worth much more than we're currently charging for UpViral in total. We'll even detect whether people are trying to trick the system thanks to our advanced fraud detection feature, making sure they'll have to get real people to sign up. And optionally, you can even enable double opt-in, which means that your audience needs to confirm their email address first before their entry actually counts. When you integrate UpViral with your autoresponder, we even send over personalized tags to your email list when they unlock certain rewards, so you can take your email segmentation to the next level by knowing exactly who already shared your message and who hasn't shared it yet. I could go on and on showing you everything UpViral has to offer, but by now it should be clear that this isn't your usual product. We made it our mission to create the ultimate viral referral marketing platform, and looking at our customer successes, it's safe to say we're succeeding. But there's just one more feature that I want to show you because I think you're going to absolutely love this one. Using UpViral, it's even possible to include one-click social media sharing buttons in your existing emails that you're sending out to your existing email list. So this works with any autoresponder, even if they haven't joined your UpViral campaign yet. So this means that you could send out an email to your existing email list in which you're offering them something for free if they get X amount of people to sign up to your email list as well, including one-click social media sharing buttons for all the major social networks. And when they click that link, they'll be sharing their own unique invite link automatically. And this means that you can plug UpViral giveaways and UpViral contests inside any of your broadcast emails, as well as inside your automated email sequences in order to multiply your existing email list. So this means that you can immediately turn your existing email list into an army of people desperately to promote your side of business within just a few minutes. I'm 200% convinced that UpViral will help you to drastically grow your business, and I'm hoping you'll give us a chance to prove ourselves. And if you don't like it, you can just send us a message within 30 days and I'll personally give you your money back, so all the risk is on us. And I want to thank you for watching this quick demonstration video, and I'm looking forward to seeing you on the inside.